Top 7 answers on the board, ladies. Here we go. When the plumber does magic at parties, name something he pulls out of his plumber's crack. Quentin.
His underwear.
His underwear. G.
A plunger.
A plunger. Pass the play. Mark, hey man, when the plumber does magic at the parties, name something he pulls out of his plumber's crack.
Hair?
Hair.
Thanks.
Well, might have been the last one, but it's
Hoppy Dolly. When the plumber does magic at the parties, name something he pulls out of his plumber's crack.
Who?
Who?
I'm here for the points. Right?
Say
Yeah.
right now, he ain't gonna be at the party long.
Good answer, man.
No, what?
Yeah, now. Hey, Rose, only one strike. Plumber does magic at the parties. Name something he pulls out his plumber's crack.
The tidy bowl man.
The little dude on the boat. Come here, little fella. The tidy bowl man.
All right, Chris.
We got 2 strikes. Chris,
Yeah.
gotta try to save it, man.
Okay.
Or else Abbott Elementary can steal.
Come on, Chris.
Plumber does magic at parties. Name something he pulls out of his plumber's crack.
A snake.
A snake!
Thank you.
Gene, let's try to keep it going. We got 2 strikes. The other team can steal.
Oh my God. I'm so sorry.
All right, here we are. When the plumber does magic at parties,
Yes.
name something he pulls out of his plumber's crack.
We're gonna go with toilet tissue.
Toilet tissue. Number 6. 5.
Okay, magic, sure. All right, fine.
It's a joke.
Number 3.
Thank you.
Oh my God.
Oh.
Number 2.